Tenfold Engineering is unfolding a foldable revolution, with its smart homes that can unfold and fold up in minutes, thanks to its clever and innovative lever-based systems. The Tenfold TF64 Transportable Unfolding House is an impressively engineered portable home that uses levers to enable different sections of the structure to move simultaneously as the building unfolds. Folding things allow you to take up much less space and transport the homes to sites more easily. These buildings can self-unload from a standard lorry. The unit is driven by electric motors, but Tenfold is just about counterbalancing components, so almost any power source is viable, and in some cases none is required. When closed for transport, it has a cargo bay of 23 cubic meters. This portable smart home can also incorporate terraces, or extra space on both sides, which makes the design even more versatile. Tenfold smart homes are extremely adaptable, in that they can be constructed out of a variety of materials, in different sizes and styles. They can also complement any geographic location, from a mountaintop to rolling hills, or oceanside. The possibilities are endless. According to Tenfold Engineering, complementary modules can be attached to both ends to provide additional facilities, such as water processing, airlocks, or extra storage space. Comparable to shipping containers, the houses can be stacked on top of one another for storage or transport. Tenfold is on a mission to engineer fully equipped, ready-to-use spaces where and when you need it. Their patented technology can support an unlimited range of design possibilities. The company doesn't directly sell the homes. Their technology can be licensed to you to build and assemble it in existing local factories to meet your regional needs and capacity requirements. A good thing about local and regional manufacturing is that it brings the product closest to where it's needed and promotes local employment. That's all for today, and if it's your first time here, please consider following or subscribing for more videos like these. I'll see you again very soon.